So, people usually start a new year with goals. I started mine with emotional overthinking and cute stationery, which I honestly feel more realistic. This is my 2026 journal. And before you ask, no, it's not perfect. Yes, I will mess it up. And yes, that is the point. People think you need neat handwriting, a clear life plan, and at least 5 aesthetic highlighters. No, you don't. You just need a place where your thoughts can sit down and breathe. That's it. So today, I'm just starting my journal slowly, honestly, and talking to you like I would talk to a friend who came over with chai and life confusion. Starting something new always feels dramatic. A new year, a blank page, a notebook judging you silently. Because a blank page doesn't ask questions, but it expects answers. And sometimes we don't have answers. Sometimes we just have feelings. And I think that's okay. For me, journaling was never about productivity. It was about having one place in my life where I don't have to explain myself. Where I could be ambitious one day, tired the next, hopeful in the morning, and confused by night. No judgment, no algorithm, no comments section, just me. Some days, journaling looks like deep thoughts and self growth. Other days, it looks like, why am I like this? Written 5 times in different fonts. And honestly, both are healing. We romanticize growth too much. Growth is messy, growth forgets things, growth drinks water and still feels tired. This year, I don't want to force myself to become someone new. I just want to listen to myself more. What do I need? What do I want? What am I avoiding? Journaling doesn't fix your life. It helps you hear yourself clearly enough to take the next small step. If you are watching this and thinking, I want to start journaling but I don't know how, then start messy, start awkward, start with one sentence. You don't need beautiful words, you need honest ones. And if your journal becomes the only place where you feel calm for 5 minutes a day, that's already enough. Sometimes I open my old journals and think, wow, I was dramatic. But then I realize that dramatic version of me survived sometimes. Some things. She needed a place to talk, and journaling gave her that place. So this year, I'm giving myself that again. No pressure, no timeline, just presence. If you're watching this and you feel a little stuck, or overwhelmed, or unsure about where your life is going, I just want you to know you don't have to fix everything at once. Start small. One page, one thought, one honest moment with yourself. That's more than enough. I'll be sharing more of my journaling journey here. The good days, the messy days, and everything in between. So if this video felt comforting, or if you felt understood even for a moment, you are always welcome back here. We will figure things out together.